Hi everyone, I'm Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For this video, I wanted to show you around my little villa. This is a place we have selected for our stay here now in Siargao. We want to find an accommodation that's close to the wedding venue, as my friends from Paddle are getting married today. And this place is called The Village, and it's a sister company of Sandy Feet in Siargao. So we are across the road, not the beach side, but I want to show you around because this place is actually really nice, and for the price, around 18,000 for 3 nights, I think it's actually bang for your buck. So let's start out with a villa tour. What I like about this villa is you actually have a long walkway and you have a little garden front that's all to yourself, so it's actually quite an exclusive stay. All right, let's head in. It's very spacious, and I like how they've covered the whole place with curtains, so you could get either a natural light feel when you want to, or if you want complete darkness, which is a great option, because sometimes when you are in the beach, you also want that, you want it to be dark when you're overwhelmed with too much sun from the whole day. Another great thing about this villa is it also has its own kitchen. You got the fridge, you got the microwave, you also have some cup noodles if you're craving in the middle of the night, and everything else is closed. You have water, and you can also do your dishes here. So pretty handy, and what I like about it is actually also very well lit with open windows on both corners of the kitchen. Now a quick glimpse of the toilet, and it's also very spacious and also has natural light, which I really like. We are in villa number 7, which is just beside the swimming pool, so pretty accessible. And I noticed that not a lot of the guests use the swimming pool, so I feel like whenever I'm here, we have it all to ourselves. Alright, now let me show you how big this resort actually is, because it's actually quite spacious. So I want to quickly show you guys Sandy Feet as well, as Sandy Feet is a sister company of the Village. So if you stay in the Village, you get to enjoy the pool, but not the beachfront. But the good thing about staying here is you actually have access to Sandy Feet, because like I said, they're sister companies, and people from Sandy Feet can enjoy the pool here in the Village, and we can enjoy the beachfront of Sandy Feet as well. So let's go and cross the road. Right, look left, look right, cross. So we are also close to Mali now, which is the quiet side of Siargao. So it's pretty a nice place, and it's pretty quiet here. So don't mind all the coconut trees that they are cutting down. There is a typhoon coming, so it's a precautionary thing for them to chop down everything. But it's unfortunate that I am doing the room tour or resort tour now, because you have coconut trees, or the palm leaves of the coconut trees everywhere. But I'm sure you could appreciate how this place looks already, because it's pretty beautiful. All right, so very quick room tour. I hope it gave you a glimpse of this place. We are having the wedding at Bayud Resort. I think I will be sharing a vlog with you guys so you guys can check it out as well. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you all in my next adventure. Bye guys!